I analyzed over 500,000 weather forecast data points, and this is my conclusion on how much you should trust weather forecasts.
It's gonna rain!
I'm gonna keep showing you charts and explaining what they are. This is the forecasted high temperature 48 hours before April 5. We have the same chart for 36 hours before, 24 hours before, and 12 hours before. We also have these charts for the forecasted low temperatures. And of course, we have the actual observed low and high on that day. These were just for April 5. We have the same data for 1.5 years, every single day for 160 cities in every state in the US. Now, this is the 48-hour forecast error distribution, a beautiful bell curve. I calculated the difference between the forecasted temperature and the observed temperature for both the high and low, and then put those errors in 1 degree increments on the x-axis. For example, you can see there were about 20,000 instances where they were exactly right with their forecasts 48 hours before. This was the most likely error for the 48-hour forecast. And then these are the charts for the other time frames. What's interesting to me here is that in all of these charts, most of the times it seems like they are forecasting it to be colder than what it is. Maybe they're just trying to make sure you take your jacket when you go out. Now, this is the formula for mean absolute percentage error, or MAPE. A not so smart way to calculate errors is to just calculate the average of the forecast minus actual. This formula is much better because it makes sure the wrong negative forecasts don't cancel the wrong positive forecast. And of course, as you expected, the MAPE gets worse if we're looking at temperatures 48 hours before versus 12 hours before. So there you have it. Weather forecasts are more than 90% accurate, and they tend to forecast it colder than what it will actually be by a very minor amount. Please like and follow for non-useless content.